Welcome back, everybody. This is Rusty here at FCP Euro, and we're going to be discussing the pollen air filter or cabin air filter replacement on the 2018 B9 Audi S5 behind me. So what I have in front of me is the Hanks Blue Care cabin air filter, and we do suggest to replace this or at least inspect it once a year or 10,000 miles. The manufacturer does suggest every 2 years or 20,000 miles, and it's just a good way to keep some smells and dust and debris down. And we'll also link another video describing everything you need to know about cabin air filters from our very own Ben Morawski. This is a super simple DIY. Mainly just removing and replacing the filter requires just a few tools, and I've got 10 of them right here. Speaking of that, let's get into it. In replacing the cabin air filter, first thing you want to do is go ahead and move that seat all the way back. Give yourself plenty of room underneath the dash. Grab a good flashlight. There's only two main clips that you have to remove to get access to that, to remove the styrofoam cover underneath the dash. Just go ahead and grab them with your fingers. If you have difficulty, you can use a tool here, but they should come out with fairly easy. And then pulling the trim out from underneath, set that aside. There are just a couple of clips in the back. If any of the clips have broken, someone may have gone ahead and installed a screw. And that front one's a little difficult to get to. And we already have some debris inside the cover here. We'll clean that out. And then take mention of which direction the filter is coming from, because there is an airflow side on either side. You'll notice here we do have a lot of debris, restricting with dirt, debris, and pollen. So it's good to get a new one in there. Comparing new to the old. So it's kind of hard to see on the old filter, but the direction of airflow was across the filter this way. So when we go to install the new one, we do want to make sure that that airflow is the same direction. So you want the arrows facing the driver's side of the car when installing it, looking at the blue side. And you do have to bend the filter slightly to get it started in the, and there you go, tipping the back side in first, and then just sliding it up into place. Give the cover a little wipe down, getting all the leaves and debris, dead bugs out of there. And then just line up the clips. And you should get a series of clicks on all three. There we go. This installs the same way it came out. You do have this little angle to match the carpet. If you're confused, tuck it above the carpet and then back under the dash. And then you'll line up the little receiving dowels for the clips. One on the right, one on the left. And then just make sure you don't have any abnormal noises after turning the car on. Set the fan on. All right, no leaves are stuck in the blower fan. Nothing's dragging or anything. I don't hear anything coming from that area. So, and that's pretty much it. Super simple, no major tools needed. And you can do all this in your driveway at home within a few minutes. And there you have it. That's the replacement of the cabin air filter on the 2018 B9 Audi S5. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.